Welcome to today's class about the chromosomal disorder. In the chromosomal disorders, before explaining that, we are discussing about the types of the chromosomes. Now we can take the human beings. The chromosomes are two types. We can take that autosomes. The second one is allosomes. Here the how many autosomes is the 22 pairs of autosomes, a pair of allosomes are present. The pair of allosomes are, it is only we are called the sex chromosomes are present in human beings. That. So what happened is chromosomal disorder nothing but disease is caused due to the defect in autosomes, either autosomes or allosomes. Either autosomes or allosomes. So here which disorders is caused by the autosomes? That disorder is called autosomal disorder. What we call that? Autosomal disorders. Which disorders is caused by the autosomes? That disorders is called autosomal disorders. These autosomal disorders, either we observed in the males and the females, the both of you, the same type of the characters we observed, either male and female, which is the disorders caused by the autosomal disorders, or which is a character is regulated by the male and female. That character is called autosomal characters. That in male and female is the same only autosomal character which is regulated by the autosomes. The next we can take the allosomes. Allosomes. Before that, autosomal disorder. What are the example of autosomal disorders? How many autosomes means the first chromosome to the 22nd chromosome. That all the chromosomes belongs to the autosomes only. So example of the which diseases now we can take that Patau syndrome. The next Edward syndrome. The third one is Down syndrome. For example, you can take the Patau syndrome. How much is the 13th chromosome? Trisomy. The next Edward is the 18th chromosome is the trisomy. The next the Down syndrome is the 21st the chromosome is the trisomy. Means what we understand that is up to 22 is the autosomes. So this all are the diseases caused by the autosomes only. The defect in the autosomes. So etc. The number of the Crid-Short diseases. Like the number of either we will discuss about that. It is about the autosomal disorders. Then now we can go for the allosomal disorders. Next we are going to discussing about the what allosomal disorders. Allosomal disorders before that we will discuss that. Allosomes are sex chromosomes. Which genes in present on allosomes? Which genes present on allosomes? That genes is called as sex-linked genes. Sex-linked genes or allosomic genes. Sex-linked genes. That again that in these sex-linked genes means in the allosomes the two types of the chromosomes are present. It's the heterogamy. Two types of the chromosomes are there. One is in females XX, the male is the XY. It is also both are sex-linked genes only. That the which genes are present on X chromosome? Which genes are present on X chromosome? That genes is called X-linked genes. X-linked genes. The next, the which genes are present on Y chromosome? Y chromosome. That genes is called the Y-linked genes or Olandric genes. Very important. Olandric genes means which genes present on Y chromosome? That is called Olandric genes. In this again XY link again. If which characters is transferred from the one generation to another generation through the X chromosomes, that character is called X-linked inheritance. Which character transfer the one generation to another generation through the Y chromosome, that character is called Y-linked inheritance. Y-linked inheritance. And another thing is there, now we can take the X and Y chromosomes. X and Y chromosomes, for example, see here, this is I can take the X chromosome. This, what happened that this is a X chromosome, it is a Y chromosomes. But here the between the from year to year, what happened? There is the same number of same types of the genes is there. So this region is called homologous region. Homologous region. Which genes are present in this homologous region of X and Y chromosome? That genes is called XY linked genes. XY linked genes. That type of the inheritance is called XY linked inheritance. XY type of XY linked inheritance. So like that. Now here the what? In Y chromosome, some of the means X-linked disorders is there, hemophilia, color blindness like this. Now again autosomal disorders also is there. Which is the X-linked disorders means autosomal disorders. Example, you can take the Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome. The second one is the Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter or Linefelter syndrome. This all are the what means sex-linked disorders. Sex-linked disorders. Now what we have to do? We are going to discussing about the sex-linked disorders. Like the first we start with the Turner syndrome. After that autosomal disorders we will discuss. Now the Turner syndrome or Klinefelter syndrome we will take that. Autosomal disorder, that is the first one is the Klinefelter or the Linefelter syndrome. This Linefelter syndrome also we are called XXY males. XXY males also that. Actually this Klinefelter syndrome, the first reported by Professor Klinefelter or the Klinefelter in the year of 1942. So the respect of this professor, this syndrome we give the Klinefelter syndrome. That what happened in the Klinefelter syndrome? The addition of one extra chromosome to the addition of one extra chromosome to the our diploid conditions. So that addition of one extra chromosome. So here addition of one extra chromosome, extra X chromosome, addition of one extra X chromosome means nothing but the generally the human beings 2n is a plus 1, nothing but trisomic. It is a one of the trisomic. Which one? That the Klinefelter syndrome. That Klinefelter the syndrome. That the Klinefelter syndrome. What is the karyotype of the Klinefelter syndrome? Will do before that, you know the trisomy is which one? Is a very important 23rd chromosome. 23rd chromosome is trisomy. Means 23rd chromosome is the trisomy. Means it is a allosomal. Means 23rd chromosome is a trisomy, but actually in our being 44 plus XX is there. What happened here that the 44 plus 47 means 45 plus means here the how many chromosomes? One extra chromosome will be added. Actually 46 only is there. Here the way I have whatever one extra chromosome should be added. That means here the 45 plus x1 means 46 45 plus x1. Here how many? The 47 the chromosomes are present in Klinefelter plus XY. They ask in the exam what is the karyotype of the Klinefelter syndrome is a 47 or 45 plus XY. This Klinefelter syndrome persons to exhibit the Bohr bodies. We will discuss after about the Bohr bodies. That means Bohr bodies can exhibit that Bohr bodies. That now what next we are going to discussing about that what are the symptoms of the Klinefelter syndrome. Symptoms of the Klinefelter syndrome. That in the Klinefelter syndrome people they can show the gynecomastia. They can show the gynecomastia. What is the meaning of the gynecomastia? It can underdeveloped of testes. So this the gynecomastia can be observed in which the gonads. Now in the second character is that the stature with the feminized character means this male only that develop the breast. They develop the breast. It is about the character. The next overall masculine development. These individuals are the steroids. So like in girls, it is a development we observed in with the Klinefelter syndrome. These individuals, those who are suffered with the Klinefelter syndrome is individual. There are steroids. These all are about Klinefelter syndrome. Professor Klinefelter 1942, 23rd chromosome is the trisomy, karyotype 45 plus XY. Exhibit the Bohr bodies, gynecomastia, feminized character, overall masculine development. These individuals are the sterile. This is about the word Klinefelter syndrome. That this is one of the allosomal disorder. Next is the Turner syndrome. So now the Turner syndrome. The Turner syndrome is the first reported by 1938. The professor Turner. The respect of the professor to give that the syndrome is the Turner syndrome. What is the karyotype of the Turner syndrome? The karyotype of the Turner syndrome. What is the karyotype name? Nothing but the arrangement of the chromosome. That see here that how is there 44 plus x0, 45 with x, 45 with x. This is about the karyotype. Means here the what actually we have the 2n. But here the minus 1 to loss of the 1x chromosome. So like that is there what we are called that monosomy. What we are called that the monosomy, because here the one loss of the 1x chromosome, which the Turner syndrome. So here the Turner syndrome there is no Bohr bodies. It didn't exhibit Bohr bodies. Bohr bodies. What is the Bohr bodies? There is a one formula is there n minus 1 because here the n equal to x chromosomes. N equal to x chromosomes. Here the word 44 plus x is there. How many x? Only 1. So 1 minus 1. So equal to 0. So that's why here the Bohr bodies are the 0. Which one? The Turner syndrome. But the Klinefelter syndrome, the addition of an extra chromosome, addition of one extra chromosome means how they are taking that XXY, means XXY means how many here 2. So n minus 1 equal to 2 minus 1 means 1 1. They can show the one bar body. Which one that in Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome. But the Turner syndrome they didn't show the which the bar bodies that. This is about the carotid. Now we are going to discussing about the what that symptoms of the Turner syndrome. Of the Turner syndrome one by one. The lack of secondary sexual characters. What is the secondary sexual characters like? To development of the breast, which is the characters in the females, development of breast and other characters like in males, moustache, beard, moustache, beard, like that, which is the secondary sexual character is there, it didn't develop in which the Turner syndrome people, those one. The next, menopausal means maybe they stop the menstrual period, menstrual cycle in the females. The next, small uterus. Uterus is a very small in size. The next, ovary is underdeveloped but rudimentary ovary. The next, already that again the rudimentary ovary. The next is the what? There is suffered with abnormal intelligence, and cardiovascular problems. Cardiovascular problems means heart problems maybe we observe, and hearing impairment. The next, hearing impairment, they are unable to hear properly, hearing impairment. And this type of the disease we observe the 3000 females, the one female is affected with the what? The Turner syndrome. This is one of the autosomal disorder. Then after that, what we have to do according to NCERT textbook, we will go that autosomal disorder. In that autosomal disorder, first one important that is the Down syndrome. We will discuss. We are going to discuss about the autosomal disorders. Now is about autosomal disorders. In the autosomal disorders, the first one is the Down syndrome, or it is called mongoloid idiocy, and also called Mongolism, which this is the Down syndrome. Actually, the Down syndrome is first reported in the year of 1866 by Professor Langdon. The Professor Langdon the first reported this. That's why the syndrome is called what? The Down syndrome. The karyotype of the Down syndrome. Why should I in the Down syndrome? In the 21st chromosome. The 21st chromosome is trisomy. 21st chromosome is a trisomy. Due to that, the Down syndrome is happened there. How like that? We told one example. For example, this is first chromosome, second chromosome, the third chromosome, first, second, third, so on as. This is about the what? The 21st chromosome. This is the what? The 21st chromosome. What happened here? In the all or the it is a 2n, it is a 2 all the 2n to a set of the chromosomes is there. But here the what happened in the 21st is the chromosome to adding of an extra chromosome. So that is the trisomy of the 21st chromosome. This is called as what? The Down syndrome. The why it is called as the mongoloid idiocy. Those who are affected with a victim of the Down syndrome, the facial features of the Down syndrome people, those who are victim of the syndrome, the facial features are similar to the Mongoloids. Mongoloids nothing but those who are living in the near to the East Asia. The East Asia people face and suffered with the Mongolism. Victim people face is the facial features is the same only. That's why this disease is called the Mongoloid idiocy or Mongolism. That Mongoloid idiocy or Mongolism. That now, what are the symptoms of Down syndrome? But in our NCERT textbook, the Down syndrome one picture is given. That on the picture, like a picture, in that all the symptoms they given that. We are trying to draw that rough diagram about which the Down syndrome. Then we will be discussing about the symptoms. Symptoms of the Down syndrome according to NCERT textbook, like a rough diagram. If we like this. The next year, in the those one symptoms of the Down syndrome, the first one by one, we will take the congenital heart disease. Congenital heart disease means by birth that people is suffered with a cardio problem, the heart problem. Then the next, the second one is the underdeveloped gonads. The gonads, which is sex organs, that is underdeveloped, improper development of that, not developed fully. Then again, those who are suffered with these people, the broad flat face, the face of the broad like a flat face, which were suffered with the Down syndrome. There many loops on the fingertips, loops nothing but folds, number of the folds, many folds we observed in the fingertips. Then again the tongue is there, the big and the wrinkled one, big and wrinkled type of the tongue we observed in suffered with the Down syndrome people. These all are the very important that in entrance examination they just asking that the base it is expressed to the exhibit to the which type of the syndrome. That's why I draw this. This is about the Down syndrome data. So according to NCERT, remaining is the Patau syndrome, Edwards syndrome we will discuss. Is the Patau syndrome or the D syndrome? There is no need of the PU board, only for entrance purpose. This what is the Patau and D syndrome? D trisomy means the Patau syndrome is caused due to the 13th chromosome, means the trisomy. The puberty starts with the 13 years. So that's why the Patau mnemonics, the 13th chromosome is the trisomy. Means what happened in this, the 13th chromosome, the additional one extra chromosome is added. That's why the Patau syndrome is a trisomy, that adding that. See here in the Patau syndrome, what are the symptoms of the Patau syndrome? One is abnormality in kidney and heart, the improper development of the kidney and heart. Then after that, the small head is a very small and defective eye development, eye also improper development. This is about the character of the which the Patau syndrome. The next is the what? Edwards syndrome. You know Edwards syndrome. It is a trisomy of 18 chromosome adding of one additional copy in which Edwards syndrome is 18 chromosome. That those who are suffered with the Edwards syndrome, that people, what is the symptom? That small jaws, eyes, then after that mouth, nose and fingers. So these all are the small, which one that Edwards syndrome. Those who are suffered with the Edwards syndrome people, the lifespan is below 1 year. Below 1 year. Now we can take that in the Patau syndrome people, those who are suffered the lifespan of the Patau syndrome people is the 4 months. The lifespan of the Patau syndrome people is the 4 months. This is about the autosomal disorders. Again, autosomal disorders, Cru-Chart syndrome is there. The Cru-Chart syndrome. The Cru-Chart syndrome is like those who are suffered with the Cru-Chart syndrome. There is a voice like a cat. That's why Cru-Chart syndrome is called cat cry syndrome also. Cru-Chart syndrome is called cat cry syndrome because that this syndrome is happened by due to the deletion of fifth chromosome. It is autosomal disorder. Fifth chromosome short arm. Which is the short arm is there in the fifth chromosome. Due to the deletion, it is effect on the human nervous system along with it is effect on larynx. Due to the effect on the larynx, that people, the voice is like a mew mew, like a cat voice. That's why the credit chart syndrome is called as cat cry syndrome. This is introduced by the Lejeune, Lejeune, Lejeune in the year of 1963. This about the credit chart syndrome. That is about the Alzheimer's disease. Actually, the Alzheimer's disease is happened due to the translocation of the two chromosomes. What are that? Is the 22nd chromosomes and 9th chromosomes. Thus, reciprocal translocation. So, what here the 22nd chromosome is called Philadelphia chromosome. Philadelphia chromosome. See here that in the 22nd chromosome, which is the long arm is there. This long arm is deleted from the this, again is joining to the 9th chromosome. Deleted from the here, which the 22nd chromosome joining to the 9th chromosome. So due to the like that exchange is called a reciprocal translocation. Due to this reciprocal translocation between the 22nd and 9th chromosome, the particular person victim of the Alzheimer's disease. Those who are Alzheimer's disease people, the symptoms, the early stage only to loss of the memory, Gajni, the loss of the memory. So along with loss of memory, they are unable to do the primary needs of brushing, washing, and bathing. So like that, which is the primary needs, they need to do that. They are loss of the memory, like a Gajni that. This is about the one of the important Alzheimer's disease. So this is total almost the chromosomal disorders. Please watch the all the total video. Then thank you one and all.